Welcome, Escambia County Public Schools. This is your Tech Tips in a Flash, brought to you by the Instructional Technology Professional Learning Team. Are you puzzled when you can't find certain content in your Google Drive and it causes you to lose valuable time looking for it? In this video, we will show you how to find files more easily in Drive by narrowing down search results through filters. Let's begin. Sign into Google and go to the waffle in the top right-hand corner to select the Drive icon. This will bring you to your home page in the Google Drive. You can find content using search chips, a conventional search, or advanced search options. You can also sort and filter search results. Let's start with looking at search filter chips. Notice the suggested filters located below the word home. These change as you view different selections, so these are your home search filter chips. Let's look at how to search your home items. By default, the files are selected, and this shows all the files in your drives, which can be overwhelming if you have a lot. Or you can select the folders view, which allows you to organize your files into folders. From here, you would select a folder if you know the content is filed there. Notice how the filters changed as I selected a different view. You can now search by type, people, or modified. Let's go back to home. Here you can select other suggested filters such as type, people, modified, or location. We will look at these closer in a moment. Now let's do a conventional search. At the top where it says Search in Drive, enter a word or phrase into the search box. On your keyboard, press Enter. Google Drive searches the titles and content of all the files you have permission to access. To narrow down your choices, use the search chips below the search results to filter using the following buttons: Type, file types such as documents, images, or PDFs. People, this searches for people associated with the file. Modified, that's the date a file was last edited. Location, searches in a specific folder, for example, My Drive. Title only, searches only for the word you searched in a title or the name of a file. To do, items that may require your attention, including approvals, follow-ups, and ownership transfers. To remove a search chip, to the right of the chip, select the X. To remove all the search chips, to the far right of all the chips, select Clear Filters. Now let's take a look at your My Drive. When you're in one of your drives, you have less search chip options. This is where you might want to go up to the advanced search to narrow down what you're looking for even more. These options are almost identical to the search chips when you're in your home drive, except the labels are a little bit different. Select what you want to search for, and then at the bottom, you're going to pick the search button. Here's a tip. After you have selected search, on the far right above your search results, you can choose to sort by most relevant or last modified. So when you are looking for files in your Google Drive, use the search chips and advanced search to make your content easier to find. Thanks for watching Tech Tips in a Flash with your Instructional Technology team. For more tech tips, subscribe to our Byte of Tech YouTube channel.